Welcome to Viral Video Clip English. These are the tumbleweeds and extremely efficient moving in a wheel. Sometimes they clutter together and have ability to take down the whole town. Few days ago in a city California was completely taken down over by the tumbleweeds migration. This is the largest no-kill dog shelter in the world, located in the Costa Rica. Over 700 dogs that visitors and volunteers can play with. This is Malibu, California, where the weather is always perfect. Sometimes turtle shells broke, but they are placed in a perfect condition so the turtle can survive.
Hi everybody! Hi everyone! How was nap time?
That's it for today. You like my content and follow, like, share, and also follow me on social media, and please support me on Patreon, PayPal.